This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on the iPhone because the watch mirrors its clock format. Open Settings, go to General, then Date and Time, toggle off 24-hour time. This sets AM/PM. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on and the watch is within range so the change syncs. You do this now rather than changing watch faces. The system setting controls all watch faces and complications. This is faster and avoids per-face edits, so you won't have conflicting displays. If the watch does not show AM/PM immediately, restart both devices to force a fresh sync. Power off the watch, then the iPhone, power them back on and open the watch app. In my watch, General confirm that the mirror clock setting is active and that the iPhone still has 12 hours selected. Once done, give iCloud and Bluetooth about a minute to re-establish. This repairs delayed updates without erasing data, so you preserve watch faces and complications. Finally, verify the change by switching to a digital watch face so AM or PM is visible. If it still displays 24-hour, unpair and repair the watch from the watch app. That forces settings to reapply and uses the automatic backup stored on the iPhone. Make sure you keep the devices close during this process, and after repair, confirm date and time on the iPhone remains 12-hour. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, check for iOS and watch OS up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.